Morning and namaste everyone. So today's vlog is at my at a very comfort zone. So today's vlog is gonna be nothing different, the same. My cousin is getting married, so in the afternoon I'll be over there for haldi. Tomorrow the wedding. Last night it was late. Came, got up, did a lot of work in the morning. I had lots and lot of work. I finished it because of yesterday's pending thing. Now I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm dropping Ira today because I have to go to a workshop later in the afternoon, so she's gonna come with a bike. And then later for the lunch, I'll be with all of my cousins and we're gonna see. For a breakfast at Cafe Bosley, so it's in the Panjim heart of the city. I'm gonna have that and then push out. Back in the Panjim market, Aarti wants to buy some things. I forgot today is Thursday and today they do Margashish. That's there for 1 month, so today is Thursday, so Puja Part day. Nice weather, but still is getting hotter. For now, just here and there, and then back to the haldi session with some of my cousins. Some good times, good old times. When you talk with your old best friend on the calls for hours. I know, man. You speak to one of your biggest. Leave it, don't want to fall. It's okay, don't hold. You can walk nicely. So I was speaking to one of my greatest friends of all times, Akash. His name is Akash Niranjan. If you guys have seen Kantara, he's a cameraman, not the main cameraman, the second. So a lot of short works and all he has done. We're gonna see him when he comes to Goa. He's come to Jain, and now we have Isha and my kaki. Hello.
How are you?
फोनच नाही कट केला. मित्राचा हिला घेऊन जा बरं.
क्या गोप्रो छुट्टियां मेरा गोप्रो उधर पड़ा है बेंचो तू क्या बात कर रहा है क्या लव है क्या लव है तो बता दे
I will not eat you. Should I eat you? Should I eat you? I ate your chick. You don't have a chick now. I gave you a chick.
Only on the steps, you know, right? So, hold my hand. Yes, only on the steps, okay? Wait. Watch. Go ahead. Bag. Next. Don't mod na ka? Come moody off.
Barbie doll.
Hungry? Are you hungry, Babu? आजागीची बुक कोण बाय म्हणता बेस्ट बाय कर चला मी बता बाय सिया ओके Afternoon we have reached and the puja of Aarti is just finished. I'll show you how it looks. Haldi was nice. It's all hot. We were dripping. Now we're gonna sleep because in the when you have functions at home, especially wedding, it's tiring and it's hot. Time to say good night. But no, it's just a nap time. See ya. It's late in the evening and we are watching some movie Chup Chup Ke and also football. Since even Ira and Aarti have woke up late, she's over here. Aarti is watching the movie over there. And we were at the Mehendi, but not so sure that we're going to go now again. Let us see. Or maybe planning to eat food or ordering outside. I don't know. But football and movie now. So we are not going currently to the haldi, but we are just going to cook some rice. I told mom to get something from there. That's like everybody's place. Everybody does it, right? They don't want to cook. They just want to get ready-made food from any शादी का घर से. हम ना बोलते हैं, but सच्चाई वही है. सब लोग करते हैं. Gonna see the football match Belgium which is going on. Watching a movie also. So right now it's just 2 in 1. Music is going on. Ira is playing over here. And the football match is going on. So I'm just listening to music. I don't want to listen to commentary. I don't like a lot of commentary work. So you know the pot. जाए ना तेरे क्यों बहुत सोचते ए नौटंगी हाँ तुम मत कसं बॅग जायना तर किती घेऊ अहो खंजी हमें मार डाला हमें मार डाला हमें मार डाला late night so it's late night. So it's late night, we're watching game, watching movie. this is what how so it's late night right now, so we're gonna sleep. So that's it for tomorrow wedding time. Gonna wake up nicely, relax. See you guys for tomorrow and ciao ciao.